We who are mining Acurast with our phone can now also stake our compute to get even more from it, but it's important we set our stake the right way, otherwise we might risk losing everything. Acurast lets anyone provide computing power from your phone anywhere in the world. It costs nothing to start, uses almost no electricity, and it does not damage the phone. If you want a full setup tutorial on how to start, watch the video linked below in the video description and come back here when your phones are running and earning CACU. Staking this way locks your decided computing power and your staked CACU tokens to get higher rewards. But if you do it wrong, you can lose your staked CACU through slashing. Only do this staking if your phones have a stable internet and power connection. Here are the different parameters and how to set them right, not financial advice. Commit compute. This is the percentage of your total compute you promise to deliver. So I would never set it to 100% because if any of my phones goes offline, your real output drops below the promise and your stake tokens can then get slashed. Set it to a level you are absolutely sure you will always deliver. I keep mine around 60% to stay safe. Cooldown duration. This is how many days you need to wait when you want to unstake your compute commitment. A longer cooldown gives higher rewards, and 2 days is the max. Stake tokens. This is the amount of CACU tokens you lock with your compute commitment. The more you stake, the more rewards you get, and the more attractive you are to delegators that can choose to stake their tokens to your compute commitment. Delegation fee. The percentage delegators pay you from their rewards. Most providers seems to be using between 0 and 1%, so since that's the case, I would not use anything higher right now. Auto compound. You can turn this on because your CACU rewards will then get automatically added directly into your stake again, making you get even more rewards. Once you have provided your compute and wait a bit, you will see your acquired rewards right here. This way you are both rewarded CACU from mining, providing compute, and now also by staking that compute. If this video helped you, help me with a like, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.